Ever wondered why some people just can't seem to find happiness no matter what? Picture this: an individual constantly seeking attention, craving admiration, yet stuck in an endless cycle of discontent. That's the life of a narcissist. But have you ever stopped to wonder why they remain so miserably trapped in their own patterns? Today, we're diving deep into the psyche of narcissism, uncovering the 10 core reasons behind their perpetual misery. 1. Unattainable self-image. Narcissists craft an idealized version of themselves, striving for an unachievable pinnacle of perfection. This relentless pursuit creates an insurmountable gap between their actual reality and the grandiose self-image they strive to embody. As a consequence, perpetual discontent becomes their unwelcome companion. 2. Inability to cultivate genuine relationships. Their self-absorption impedes the cultivation of authentic connections. Relationships, often superficial and transactional, lack the depth necessary for genuine emotional bonding. Consequently, their inner world remains void of meaningful connections, perpetuating their sense of isolation and discontentment. 3. Relentless quest for external validation. A ceaseless hunger for external validation drives narcissists to seek constant approval and admiration from others. This dependency on external opinions becomes a precarious pedestal upon which their fragile self-worth teeters. When validation is absent or inadequate, their self-esteem crumbles, contributing to their continual misery. 4. Fear of vulnerability. Narcissists shun vulnerability as it contradicts their constructed facade of invincibility. Their aversion to exposing vulnerabilities impedes genuine emotional experiences and personal growth, nurturing a cycle of perpetual discontent. 5. Paralyzing fear of failure. The fear of failure looms ominously over narcissists' lives, paralyzing their ability to take risks or embrace new challenges. This fear induces a state of chronic anxiety and stress, further entrenching their cycle of unhappiness. 6. Lack of emotional empathy. Emotional intelligence and empathy often elude narcissists. Their inability to comprehend or connect with others' emotions leads to a profound emotional disconnect. Consequently, their relationships lack depth and emotional resonance, intensifying their inner turmoil. 7. Perpetual comparison with others. A relentless habit of measuring their worth against others perpetuates a cycle of comparison and inadequacy. Constantly feeling inferior fuels their dissatisfaction and a sense of unfulfillment, exacerbating their perpetual misery. 8. Evasion of responsibility. Narcissists deflect accountability, refusing to acknowledge faults or errors. This reluctance to accept responsibility obstructs introspection and personal growth, perpetuating their cycle of internal conflict. 9. Manipulative tendencies. Manipulation often serves as a tool for maintaining control and dominance in the narcissist's repertoire. This manipulative behavior strains relationships, leading to further isolation and dissatisfaction in their lives. 10. Resistance to self-reflection. Genuine introspection remains a distant concept for narcissists. Their avoidance of self-examination hampers personal growth and positive change, perpetuating their inner misery. Delving into the intricacies of narcissistic tendencies unveils a complex web of psychological intricacies. Understanding these 10 core reasons sheds light on the multifaceted nature of narcissism and its profound impact on an individual's emotional well-being.